In this video, I'm going to be unpackaging and assembling the sawmill that you see behind me here. This sawmill is from Woodland Mills. It is the HM126 model with the 10.5 foot trailer. So this is a portable sawmill.
Hey everyone, exciting day. We just got one of the Woodland Mills sawmills. So this is the HM126 sawmill. This is what it vaguely looks like. We're going to be assembling this now. It came in boxes. These guys have a warehouse in Port Perry, Ontario. We also got a trailer for the sawmill, and we got the log loading ramp. So we're going to start assembling this. I'll keep you guys posted throughout the process. Follow along. All right, so here's a look at it. We got the Woodland Mills sawmill. We got some log loading ramps here. Those are really awesome to have. And then back here is the HM126 sawmill. The sawmill mounts onto the trailer, and then we got a cant hook and some blades. First thing I want to say is this stuff is packaged awesome. It actually has a metal crate that it's in. So these guys, Woodland Mills, they'll ship anywhere in North America. I believe it's for a flat rate of $200, and this stuff here is not going to get damaged. I'm impressed just by the crates. That's something you don't see too often. So we're making some progress here. We've got the bottom section of the mill set up. Everything is unpackaged. Quite a few parts here, especially with the trailer parts. But time to start assembling. Here's the motor, the power head, and it's hard to see, but we are assembling this on one of the shipping crates. It makes a nice flat surface for us to work on here. Okay. So we're assembling the base of the sawmill here, and we got to make sure that we have it square. So we're measuring diagonals to make sure that we have the same number on both diagonals. And this worked great. We took the ratchet strap, clamped it on so that we could make the corners the exact same. This pulled it together so we have it nice and tight, and we have it square, which is extremely important before you move on from this step. All right, everybody, so I put in about half a day's worth of work on this yesterday, setting it up. Let me show you where we are right now. We've got the majority of the base of the sawmill set up, as well as parts of the actual trailer. So with this, I didn't film the entire build just because it's so time consuming and it's really hands-on, but the instructions here from Woodland Mills are excellent. Everything is laid out really well. Great instruction manual. It's super easy to follow. Just follow all the steps. And another really nice thing is all the hardware that they give you is labeled. So there's no guessing what to use. Everything is labeled, which is awesome. You can scan it as well and it will tell you. So things are going well. Follow along as we're almost done this, and we're going to start setting up the power head. All right, everyone, I'm fully finished assembling this Woodland Mills HM126 sawmill. This is on the 10-foot trailer. So when you get this, it comes in crates and you assemble the entire thing. The instructions are excellent. You can get trailers that are longer, up to 16 feet, and you can add on to this in the future. So why don't we take a look at it? On top of the unit, we also got the log loading kit. So there's 2 ramps here that lock into the trailer and a winch. Assembling this, it's pretty straightforward. You just have to follow the instructions. There's a lot of pieces. Every bolt needs to be torqued down to spec because this is road legal. It has working lights. You can tow it. The cool thing is, once you get this in place, you level it out with these 4 legs. You can get the tires right off the ground. Here's a look at the power head. So we have the lubrication tank up here. This is the 14.5 horsepower motor. This thing slides nice and smoothly. Here's a look at the back side of it. So, okay. Now Now we just have to start using this sawmill and mill some lumber. I've got some big plans for it. We're going to be using this a lot this summer. A lot of cool projects on the go. You can do so much with this. Cut timber, beams, posts. You can cut slabs for live edge. You can cut dimensional lumber to build with. So stay tuned. We have a lot of really cool projects. Woodland Mills is a North American company. They're located here in Southern Ontario, Port Perry. They have a lot of really awesome stuff. Different trailers, different makes, so different price ranges, different widths you can cut, different lengths. You can get different motors. There's a lot of different things you can get. Check out their site. They even have all kinds of forestry equipment, including wood chippers, stump grinders, trailers, a lot of really cool things. So give them a check and stay tuned for us using this.